I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Venerageables. This is Matthew Luchin,
Selena Fertile, and Lexi Segura
with the morning announcements. Today is Wednesday, September 13th, 2023.
Random fact of the day. Human fingers have no muscles. We are able to move our fingers thanks to the muscles in our forearms. National Kids Take Over the Kitchen Day is celebrated every year on September 13th. It's a special day for children in all sense to participate in cooking alongside their parents or guardians. Not only does it provide quality time for parents and kids, but it also gives them the perfect chance to learn one of the most essential life skills, cooking.
Lunch today is Texas Western pork barbecue sandwich or sun butter and grape jelly sandwich, corn, garden butter, fruit, milk.
Weather today is a chance of isolated thunderstorms and a high of 70 degrees. We are halfway through the week. Everyone keep up the positive attitude and follow the SOPs. Everyone have a great day! And remember, fools